opponent, from Greenwich, Connecticut, weighing in at 257 pounds, Mr. McMahon.
Mr. McMahon is jacked. You know, everybody's so quick to give Triple H all the credit for NXT, but the bottom line is the entire WWE Universe is owned by one man. This man, the chairman, Mr. McMahon.
And we're underway. Looking at these two men, I don't think there's going to be anything traditional about this one-on-one matchup.
These guys are undoubtedly going to give us a show here tonight.
Headlock. Oh, and cheap shot right above the eye.
Oh my.
I think we're about to see a high-risk move from the top rope.
That one fails to connect.
Great idea by him. Too bad it was awfully executed, though.
Oh, clothesline!
There he goes, crashing to the floor.
It's no secret that Mr. McMahon can be brash, confrontational, and at times even explosive. At one point, Mr. McMahon had an exclusive club where members would kiss the part of his anatomy he uses to sit down.
What a stomp!
Good grief!
Reversal by Mr. McMahon.
Byron, you touched on something earlier. Mr. McMahon can most definitely be vain, smug, pompous, adversarial. At one point, the chairman of WWE referred to himself as a genetic jackhammer.
Byron, you showed up on television dressed like a baby. Who are you to insult Mr. McMahon? Mr. McMahon knows what's best for the WWE locker room and the WWE Universe better than they do themselves. Sometimes you have to crack a few eggs if you want to make an omelet. If someone doesn't like it,
Backslide out of nowhere. It's going to take more than that to keep him down.
And it's Mr. McMahon with the reversal.
Oh, right to the side of the face.
This is what makes him one of the best in the business. Look out, there he goes.
Knocked right off his feet.
Big time spine buster.
Could lead to a big-time win. This one is over.
Uh-oh, he's in trouble here. Oh, man, that hurt the back. Spine rattling. Here's a cover.
1, 2, 3. There's the pin. It's over. It's all over.
These guys were awesome. Let's take another look.
wow. That was some seriously painful action to watch. Watching paint dry might have actually been more exciting.
Here is your winner, the Psycho.
They proved who the better competitor was tonight.
I don't make the matches, but if I did, I'd put these two back in the ring ASAP. What an amazing match.
The arena is still buzzing.